In this video, I'm going to show you how to send location on WhatsApp. For some reason, you are directing someone to your current location and you're having a problem in trying to give the person the specific location that you are. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to send your current location on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and easy. On your phone, navigate to your WhatsApp app and make sure you select the contact that you want to send your current location to. In this case, I'm going to select Mubarick MD. On this interface, navigate down and locate where the media icon is and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear with a bunch of menus on it. Proceed to select location. Allow it a moment to generate. So there you are. You have the option to share your live location or send your current location. So when you send your current location, this is going to give the person your current location with accuracy of 30 meters. And in the event you want to send your live location, you just have to tap on share live location. So you land on an interface like this. So you can allow the live location to last for 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. Depending on how long you want this live location to last on the person's device, you can pick the available one. And you can also add a comment. Maybe you want to give the person a further direction upon reaching that location. After that, you then proceed to hit on send. So your location has now been sent to this contact on WhatsApp. In the event later you have a change of mind and you want to stop sharing it, all you have to do is just to tap on this stop sharing. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.